I'm Dudley Harris. I'd like to invite you to my studio open house, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the 1st and 2nd Saturdays of December. That's December 1st and December 8th. This past year, I've been making many of my usual pieces, bowls for the kitchen and table mainly, but I've also been experimenting with some new forms too. Having my own glaze studio and gas kiln has given me more freedom to explore new directions. Please drop by my studio open house. I'll be throwing on the wheel, and I'll be giving tours of the glaze studio and the kiln.